Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. It has come to my attention that my friend Matthew loves peppermint patties. I did not know that. And I'm going to see him today, so I'm making a special treat for him. Peppermint patty brownies. Today's recipe is super simple and quick because we're cheating a little bit. Rather than making scratch brownies, I'm using a boxed mix. If you want to make them using scratch brownies, you can refer to my s'mores brownie video, which I'll put up in the corner and down in the description. So you need the mix. You need a 10-ounce package of peppermint patties, fun size, because I'm fun size, and 2 teaspoons of peppermint extract. My oven is preheating at 350. I have an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. I've sprayed the bottom with a nonstick cooking spray. And the first thing we're going to do, we're gonna melt the peppermint patties in the microwave. I placed the peppermint patties in the microwave and heated them for 30 seconds. And they are just the way I want them, nice and smooth. We'll set this aside. And now we will just make the brownies according to the package directions. The one I'm using calls for 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of water, half a cup of oil, and we're adding our own little twist, 2 teaspoons of peppermint extract. All right, that's ready. So now we're just going to put this in the baking dish, which again, I have coated the bottom with cooking spray. Now you're going to take the peppermint patty mix, and if it's gotten a little hard, you can zap it again for a second. We are just going to put these on top of the brownie mixture. You don't have to be precise, just get it on there. And now taking a spatula, we are going to ribbon it throughout. Like so. Okay, so this goes in the oven. You bake it according to the package directions. Mine says 50 to 55 minutes. So let's pop it in the oven. All right, these are ready to cut. They're still a little bit warm, but I gotta get this show on the road. Now, I don't know about you. I like the edges. They are very moist. Yeah, these could have cooled a little more, but I don't have time. Just take a look. You've got the melted chocolate on the inside. They're crispy on the outside, chewy on the edges. And super minty. All right, let's get these over to Matt's house.
I keep having to close my eyes.
You do keep having to close your eyes.
Matt, what's your favorite candy?
Peppermint patty.
Okay. Open your eyes.
Get out. Oh my God.
You're gonna have it right now?
Well, have a bite at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why wouldn't I have this?
I don't know, it doesn't seem to go with tequila and beer. I don't know, maybe it's just me.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right, I need to have one. These.
It's freaking delicious. It's like the best of everything.
Oh, that
The
is good.
chocolate, the
You like
peppermint, the patty.
Gosh, chewy on them too.
Well, I'm glad you like
Yeah,
it. Just for you.
Oh my God, this is delicious.
Just for you.
Well, then maybe we shouldn't leave it out. Everyone's gonna eat your brownies.
Yeah, you can hide them. You know what? If you put them in the freezer, don't be sad. No one's gonna eat your brownies.